Hello, welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula question in mathematics. So let's quickly delve into the question. So this is series 15, and the question on the table is that we should find the value of K in the given equation where Z equals 25, C equals 5, and J equals 4, right? So our given equation is Q equals the square root of the fraction Z square minus 4C square J over C square, right? So based on our solution, okay, so we are going to have our Q, which is giving us the square root of the fraction Z square minus 4C square J over C square, right? So Q is seen as the square root of the fraction Z square minus 4C square J over C square, where Z is giving us 25, C is giving us 5, and J is giving us 4. So what we have to do is to insert the values into the equation. So we have our Q to be the square root of the fraction 25 square minus 4 multiplying 5 multiplying 5 square multiplying 4 over 5 square. So we have our Q to be the fraction 25 square multiplying 4 times 5 square times 4 over 5 square, right? So our Q is going to be the square root of the fraction 625 minus 4 multiplying 25 times 4 over 25, because 25 square is or means 25 multiplying itself, or 25 twice itself, right? So 25 times 25 will give you 625. 5 square also means 5 multiplying itself, or 5 multiplying twice itself. Okay, so that is 5 times 5 would also give you 25. So we are going to have 625 minus 4 multiplying 25 multiplying 4 out of 25, right? So our Q is going to be the square root of the fraction 625 minus 400. Okay, 4 times 25 will give you 100, right? And the 100 times 4 will give you 400. So that's how come we had the 400, right? So simplifying further, we are going to have our Q to be 225 over 25. That's the square root of 225 over 25, because 625 minus 400 will give you 225. Okay, right, so let's proceed further. Okay, so 25 would cancel itself 1, right? 25 will cancel 225 9 times. So we have our Q to be the square root of 9, right? And the square root of 9 is which number multiplying itself will give you 9, right? So 1 times 1 is 1. So definitely 1 is out. 2 times 2 is 4. So definitely 4 is out. 3 times 3 is 9. right? So 3 multiplying twice itself, or the square of itself, is 9. So that means our answer is 3. So therefore our Q is equal to 3, right? So thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.